Morning students, myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn something new. Look, this is a picture of plants. There are two parts of a plant, shoot system and root system. The root system is under the ground and the shoot system is above the ground. We see flowers, leaf, fruit, stem in shoot system and root in the root system. There are different types of plants like herb, shrub, climber, trees and creeper. Some plants are small with a weak stem are called herb. For example, spinach. Some plants are small with woody stem are called shrub. For example, rose plant. Some plants need support to grow are called climber. For example, grapevine. Some plants are very huge and strong are called trees. For example, neem trees. Some plants creep on the ground are called creeper. For example, pumpkin. Now you have to look here. Picture of leaf. Tiny holes are present on the leaf are called stomata. Plants breathe with the help of stomata. Look here. This is a picture of green leaf. It looks like a green because chlorophyll is present on it. The green leaf is called the food factory of plant because green leaf make food for the plant during daytime. This process is called photosynthesis. We get things from the plant. We get tire, rubber, fruits, vegetable, flowers, medicine, wood for furniture and paper, etc. Plants also reduce soil erosion, prevent flooding, remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and add oxygen for us. It provides food and medicine to us, and it is also cool our houses. So now we know that plants are our friends. Plants are most important for us. So today we learn lesson number 4, the story of Amrita. In this lesson, we see the love of Amrita with trees. Amrita sacrificed her life for save trees. Now look here. Our life is not possible without trees. We can face many problems. Now you imagine life without trees. Is it possible? No, our life is not possible without trees. Now look here. Food, water and air are our primary needs. We get food from plant. We get water from rain, and rain is the main sources of water, and tree attract rain. We get oxygen for breath from trees. This is a story from long ago. Khejri is a village in Jodhpur district of Rajasthan, India. Near it lies a village called Khejri. This village got its name because many khejri trees grew there. The khejri tree is found mainly in desert area. It can grow without much water. The people of the village took great care of the plant, trees and animals. They used to say, if trees are there, then only we can survive. People from the khejri worship plants and animals. Khejri tree is most important for khejri people. Its bark is used for making medicine. People cook and eat its fruit, and its fruit is called beans. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the khejri. Look in this picture. Amrita would get up early in the morning and greet her friend the trees. She would choose a special tree for the day and put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper, Amrita loves khejri tree and want to be like it because it is very strong, beautiful, and it also take care of us. Like Amrita, other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in shade of trees. Look in this picture. This is a picture of desert and we see khejri trees in this desert area because it can grow without much water. So now we know that we plant the trees because trees purify air. We feel cool in the shade of trees. Trees keep the atmosphere cool. Trees bring rain. Trees provide wood for furniture. Trees provide home to birds and animals too. Trees attract rain. Trees gives us food. So now we know that yes, in the garden next to my house, I have seen the gardener taking care of the trees and water the plant. So we know that the gardener taking care of the trees and water the plant. Now look here the types of fruits. Here we see the pomegranate fruits, lemon, guava, oranges, and mango trees. These fruits are usually eaten by birds and animals and human beings. Now look here. Small plants or trees are growing on their own without being planted by anyone. In the hollow parts of the old well, peepal tree and small plants growing on the wall. In a rainy season, green grass and wild plants growing in the garden and on the ground. So now look here the picture of seeds. We know that the plants grow by the help of seeds. We see the seeds of grass, plants or trees spread area due to wind, heavy rainfall, cyclone and animals and birds dropping, and they grow when they get favorable condition. One day, king want to use the wood of the trees for building a palace. That's why the king's men came in this village to cut the trees for wood. Amrita was shocked. She went to the trees that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the trees and hugged it tightly. The men are shouted and threatened her. Now look here. This is a picture of Chipko movement. It was a forest conservation movement in India. The men shouted, but Amrita did not let go to tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut trees. Once seeing this, Amrita's daughter and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughter, dared to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for the trees. He visited the village himself. There he showed the deep feeling of villagers towards trees and animals. So now king decided that no trees would be cut and no animal harm in that area. The people of this area call Bisnois because they protect plants and animals. So our life is not possible without trees. So don't cut the trees. You have to plant a tree and save the planet. Grow more and more plants surrounding your area. Save trees, save life. Thanks for watching my video.